So we're going to use a multimeter to test this relay. If you look here, you have a contact terminal 87 here, and it's open and it goes to 30. What we'll do is we'll feed 12 volts right here to this little coil. This is a coil, and what that does is it pulls this down and it closes the contact. When that happens, when you power 12 volt at 85 and 86, you should have a continuous circuit on between 30 and 87. So we'll show you how to do that in a second here. So we need to feed 85 and 86. So 85 and 86 are right here. So what we'll do is feed those. As we touch the negative, as we feed 12 volts, you hear a click on the relay. So as we touch this too, you hear a beep right there. Let's look at another method where we can identify if the relay is bad. In this case, what we need to do is find another relay that has the exact same part number. And what you do is you swap them, and if the problem moves to the other circuit, so if you change the horn relay, for example, and put it over here where you have the fog lights, and then swap it, you might notice that your horn starts to work and the fogs don't work anymore. And that means that this relay right here is bad. Fogs still work. That means the relay was good.